Every time you take a sip in this smoky atmosphere, you press that bottle to your lips, and I wish I was your beer. And in the small there of your back, your jeans are playing peekaboo. I'd like to see the other half of your butterfly tattoo. Hey, that gives me an idea. Let's get out of this bar, drive out into the country, and find a place to park. 'Cause I'd like to see you out in the moonlight. I'd like to kiss you way back in the sticks. I'd like to walk you through a field of
We're not going to believe this. This goose just walked up, decided to step on my leg, and he's picking at my shoelaces. Oh my God. And I don't even have any food. This is funny as hell. Ouch. He's picking at my shoes. This is funny. He's sitting right on me, picking at my shoes. Look at this. This is amazing. He's on my lap. Oh my God. He's picking at my shoes. I just hope he doesn't shit. Hi. He's picking at my shoes. This is totally fucking amazing. Ouch! Back to my belly. Oh, he's pecking at the camera. You're amazing, you know that? Are you gonna get off me anytime soon? Oh my God. Are you yelling at me? Just don't shit on me, okay? No shitting on me, I don't allow that. He stepped off and walking away. That was fucking amazing.
I'd like to kiss you, baby, way back in the sticks.
He was pecking at my leg.
I'd like to check you for ticks.
Are you gonna come back now?
I'd sure like to check you
Huh?
for ticks.
Are you gonna come back to me now?
Come on.